Guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is a very exciting video because I have in my hand the new Chanel fall makeup collection for 2019. I know it's pretty early and I know we are midsummer, but this collection came out and I knew I had to get my hand on it and review it for you guys, and it is beautiful. Before I show you the collection, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I am so close to hitting the 1,000 subscriber mark and I cannot wait to get there. All right, let's get into this video. The new Chanel Fall Winter collection is inspired by the codes of the house and colors of Paris. I ordered the collection off of Chanel.com and it came packaged beautifully in a classic Chanel box. I did purchase a few unique pieces from the collection. First off, we have this waterproof and smudge-proof eyeliner in the shade Blanc Graphique. There's a few lip options in this collection, but I decided to purchase the Rose Allure liquid powder lip color in the shade 978 Bois de Nuit. I also purchased the limited edition Premiere Top Coat in Carte Blanche. This is a new iridescent eyeshadow with silver flecks to wear alone or layered over your favorite shade to lighten your look. This is by far my favorite piece in this collection. The Fall Winter collection has two different eyeshadow palettes. I chose to purchase the Noir Supreme Quad with a beautiful burgundy shade. And finally, every order from Chanel.com comes with 2 trial size products, and I chose the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum and a facial oil with jasmine extract. Absolutely love this collection. It definitely has fall written all over it. First off, let's talk about this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Now the collection did also have another eyeshadow palette that was mainly black, gray, and white colors. I steered toward this eyeshadow palette because my goodness, is it so fall, and the colors are gorgeous. I especially love this shade right over here, and all of the shades in this palette are super pigmented. For this look today, I really wanted to try to use all of the colors as much as possible. To get this look today, I first off used this darker shade right here and used that into my crease. I did not think it would be as pigmented as it was, but I worked with it and it looked absolutely gorgeous. Next, I use this color over here, which is one of my favorites in this palette, and I used that all over my eyelid. It looked so gorgeous, and just blending these colors was so easy, but you would expect that from the Chanel eyeshadows. They really have a great formula. Next, I really wanted to use this top coat. Now, this is unlike anything I've ever seen before. It is completely white in the palette, but it definitely has a sheen to it, and the glitter in it is not extremely chunky, which I love about it. I didn't know whether or not I wanted to add this just on its own as a top coat or use a cut crease. I personally love to do cut creases, so I really wanted to see how this would perform, and I definitely had a feeling that I would be using this over a cut crease with basically all of my other eyeshadows that I have. So what I did is I applied a cut crease. I didn't make it too dark. You could still see that little peak of the eyeshadow underneath. and I applied this top coat, and oh my goodness, it gave it such a pearlesque type of look. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this palette. Definitely my favorite out of this entire collection would have to be this top coat. It is beautiful. I highly recommend it to all of you guys. It goes with absolutely everything. Any eyeshadow that you have, you just apply this top coat over it and it gives such a beautiful pearlesque look to the entire eyeshadow look. I then blended this green-like tint in the middle of both the colors and kind of blended all the colors together. It looks so pretty and it was just so easy to use this palette. Now this collection also came out with a waterproof eyeliner that is in white. It's not completely white. It does have kind of like a creamy type of tinge to it, but it looks really beautiful. Anytime you put a white type of eyeliner into your waterline, it really makes your eyes look bigger, and it definitely did so with this one. It's very pretty. Now I did want to use this entire palette, so that last color in here I ended up using right underneath my waterline. It gave such a beautiful contrast between that white and then that darkness. Definitely a fall look all in all. Now the collection did come out with liquid glosses as well as 2 liquid powder lipsticks. I ended up purchasing one of them, and I purchased this one in the color 978. I've never tried these powder lipsticks by Chanel before. I do hear that they're quite good. I do love the packaging for this one. I do like that it's a squeeze type of tube. Now the applicator itself, it felt kind of odd when I applied the lipstick. I don't feel like it's one of my favorites. Now the formula is quite interesting. It's not a cream, it's not a powder entirely, it's kind of a medium between both. When you apply it onto your lips, you don't feel like you're applying anything. It's so lightweight. Now this lipstick is not completely transfer proof, but it's not like a regular lipstick where it's completely transferable. It does dry down and it is long wearing. I do actually really like this formula. I definitely love the color itself. It's so beautiful. It goes so well with the entire look, and I definitely see myself wearing this quite often during the fall. This is an absolutely gorgeous collection. Highly recommend it. If you guys want to get just one thing out of this collection, it definitely would have to be the top coat. It's so versatile. You can use it with so many different eyeshadows that you already have, and it's unlike anything else that's on the market right now. It truly is a top coat, and I suppose I would compare it to a clear top coat for your nail polish where you just apply that last little top coat to give you that gloss. This is very similar, but it's for eyeshadow. And that's it for my Chanel fall collection for 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that if you were eyeing this collection, I made that decision a lot easier for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.